Okay, my suggestion as you're reading a document like this is to understand that part of reading is writing things down. So we were given a differential equation. Let me just go through the original one, look like this over here. That's a differential equation. And then you're just trying to use your skill set you learned in a prior course, and where they tell you the solution to this differential equation on this open interval is valid. So what I would recommend do is, you write that down, and let's see what that means. So, y equals, write this over here. It equals the sine of x times the cosine of x, and then minus the cosine of x. All right, and they say this is valid for x between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. All right, now what's it valid for? This differential equation here. So what do I notice about it? I notice I need the derivative. And again, y prime, in this case here, means dy dx. All right, let's write that down. The first thing is I got a product rule. So what do I notice? I'll do the product first. So it's going to be, let's see, the derivative of sine, which is cosine x times cosine x. And then it's going to be minus sine x times sine x. What I do there, I just differentiated this over here, all right? And now I got to do this over here. Well, looking at it, what do you get over there? Whoops. I get plus sine x. All right, let's write this down. So what do you get? Cosine squared x minus sine squared x plus sine x. All right, what do you do now? Well, they said it's a solution to the problem, so you're going to plug it in. All right, what do you plug it in? Into the differential equation, and we're going to check it now. All right, so what do you get? Y prime, let's write this over here. It's going to be cosine squared minus sine squared x plus sine x. So I just did this business over here. Now let's write this down. Plus y. What's y? Y is over here. Let's write that down. So it's going to be sine x times cosine x minus cosine x, and we're going to multiply that by the tangent. I'm going to write the tangent as sine x over cosine x. And what's that equal to? It says equal to cosine squared. Let's take a look at it. All I can do is rewrite it and hope that's the case. So cosine squared x minus sine squared x plus sine x. I got to do some multiplication over here. I'm looking at it. So I got to take, this and distribute those two terms. Let's see what happens there. What do you get there? You get sine squared, first term. What do you get for the next term? Let's see, cosine, you get sine. All right, put this over here. And again, I'm just checking it. Again, paper and pencil is going to be necessary. You can write directly on the document if you want. Let's take a look. I'm seeing things over here. I'm seeing that the signs disappear, right? Plus sign, minus sign's nothing. I'm seeing the sine squareds disappear. And what am I left off with? Cosine squared x equals cosine. Whoops. Let me get my eraser out. Cosine squared x. This is true. All right, so I'm going to say checking is probably an important component. So again, some of my question is how'd you come up with that solution? The bottom line is it's not easy to come up with solutions to differential equations, but we'll go through that. Thank you.